Thank you for your time, Mr. Chairman, and the opportunity to speak today. We're here today to ask you, no, to urge you to vote to repeal the voter ID law. And there's 1 out of 4 generations in my family of United States Marines that have served their country. I tell you now, this law is un-American. We just lost over 4,000 American lives fighting in the war and to bring democracy to Iraq so their people could have the freedom to vote in an open and unconditional election. Our soldiers stood their post as they could exercise their right to vote. But in this state, we've passed a law that puts conditions on the right to vote. Our own citizens. Where's the respect for those lives lost? I can't talk about Iraq without thinking about Pat Tillman. Here's a great American who gave up everything in order to fight for democracy, and he did pay the ultimate price. And the World War II vet who fought for his country but was denied the right to vote under the conditions set by this law. You assume we're all on the same page. This is totally not true. Not everybody has that right. Not everybody has the opportunity. So for one day, for 5 minutes, when you vote, forget the party that you belong to. And remember, we're all Americans. This law is a slap in the face to all the soldiers that fought and died for this country. It has no place in America. And finally, I'm standing in my bedroom this morning looking at the flag raising on Iwo Jima and ask myself what those Marines thought as they raised that flag. Did they do it just for some of the Americans or half of the Americans? No, they did not. They did it for all Americans. So for their sacrifice and all the Marines and soldiers that have paid the ultimate price for this thing we call freedom, you need to vote to repeal this law. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much.